You might not believe this, but there are simple, natural drinks, the kind you can make in your own kitchen, that can actually help your eyes heal while you sleep. Yes, really. While you're resting, certain nutrients go to work quietly through the night, repairing tired eye tissue, restoring healthy blood flow, and reducing the inflammation that often makes night vision so difficult after 60. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed your vision seems to fade most after sunset? Not in the morning, not at lunchtime, but in the evening when the daylight is gone. Reading feels harder, the words blur on the page. Television doesn't seem as clear as it used to. And driving after dark? The glare from headlights can be almost blinding. This isn't just getting older. This is your body sending a clear signal. Your eyes aren't getting the right support to recover overnight. Here's the truth most people never hear. Nighttime is supposed to be when your eyes heal. But with age, circulation slows down. The tiny capillaries in your retina don't deliver enough oxygen. Your macula, the part of the eye that controls central vision, starts getting starved. And without the right nutrients, that nightly repair process simply doesn't happen. The good news? You can help fix this naturally. Water alone isn't enough. Your eyes need fuel, the exact nutrients that target vision repair while you rest. And that's what we're talking about today. In this video, I'll share 4 natural juices, simple to prepare, delicious to drink, that give your eyes the support they've been missing for years. They're not miracle potions, but when you drink them the right way, at the right time, they work with your body's natural healing cycle to protect and even improve your vision after dark. So, grab a pen and paper, because the first juice is one you've heard your whole life, but I'm willing to bet you've never been told why it works best at night. Carrot juice. How to make it truly nourishment for night vision. Carrot juice isn't just an old wives' tale. It's one of the most direct ways to feed your eyes exactly what they need to see better after dark. Its power comes from beta-carotene, the bright orange pigment your body turns into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for making rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment in your retina that lets you adapt quickly when the sun goes down or when you walk from a bright room into a dim one. Without enough of it, night vision suffers. You may find yourself squinting, straining, or feeling unsafe driving after sunset. Here's the catch. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at converting beta-carotene into vitamin A. That means even if you're eating carrots now and then, you might not be getting enough to truly support your eyes. That's where juicing helps. Fresh carrot juice removes the fiber barrier, giving you a concentrated, easily absorbable dose of beta-carotene in every sip. Taken about 45 to 60 minutes before bed, carrot juice delivers these nutrients during the exact window when your eyes are repairing themselves most, while you sleep. It doesn't just help the retina, either. Vitamin A supports the tear film, keeping eyes moist and comfortable overnight. For many older adults, this means waking up with less dryness, less irritation, and sharper vision in the evenings. A small glass, about half a cup to 1 cup, is all you need. Sip it slowly, make it part of your evening ritual, and let your eyes enjoy the nourishment they've been missing. Over a few weeks, you may start to notice you're not blinking or squinting as much, and reading or watching TV boosting eye circulation. If carrot juice feeds your eyes, beetroot juice wakes them up. You see, healthy vision isn't just about vitamins, it's about blood flow. Your retinas are full of tiny, delicate capillaries that need a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. But as we age, circulation slows. Those vessels deliver less fuel to your eyes, and the result can be slower adjustment to low light, more strain, and that frustrating glare from headlights at night. Beetroot juice tackles this problem head-on. It's naturally rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow where it's needed. Studies show that drinking beet juice can improve circulation to the brain and eyes within just a couple of hours. That timing is key. When you drink beet juice in the evening, maybe an hour or so before bed, you're sending a fresh rush of oxygen-rich blood to your eyes right as they enter their nightly repair cycle. Along with nitrates, beets also carry lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your retina from light damage and oxidative stress. For best results, stick to cold-pressed or freshly made beet juice without added sugars. 4 to 6 ounces, about half a glass, is enough. If you find the earthy flavor too strong, add a splash of lemon juice or mix it with a little carrot juice for a sweeter taste. And don't be alarmed if your urine or stool turns red the next day. That's harmless and just means the pigments are passing through. Over time, this simple habit can lead to eyes that feel less tired, adjust more easily to darkness, and stay more comfortable. Blueberry juice, shielding your eyes from oxidative damage. Even if your eyes are getting enough nutrients and blood flow, there's still another threat quietly working against your vision: oxidative stress. Every day, your eyes are exposed to blue light from screens, UV rays from sunlight, and even pollution in the air. Over time, these stressors create free radicals, unstable molecules that damage the delicate cells in your retina. This is where blueberry juice comes in. The deep blue-purple color of blueberries comes from anthocyanins, some of the most powerful antioxidants found in nature. These compounds work like a shield, neutralizing free radicals before they can harm your eyes. They also help strengthen tiny blood vessels in the retina, making them less likely to leak or weaken with age. But anthocyanins don't just protect, they help your eyes adapt. They assist in regenerating rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment that allows you to see in low light. That means less glare, smoother adjustment when moving from a bright room to a dim one, and less strain at night. To really get the benefits, you need a concentrated source. A handful of berries is healthy, but a small glass of 100% pure, unsweetened blueberry juice delivers far more anthocyanins in one serving. About a quarter to half a cup, sipped slowly about an hour before bed, is enough. If you find it too tart, follow with a sip of water to protect your tooth enamel. One of my patients, Nancy, once told me she'd stopped knitting in the evenings because the stitches blurred under lamplight. After adding blueberry juice to her nightly routine for just 2 weeks, she smiled and said, "I'm not knitting faster, but now I can see what I'm doing." When you combine blueberry juice with the nourishment of carrot juice and the circulation boost of beet juice, you're giving your eyes 3 layers of support. Feeding them for fueling orange juice, protecting, repairing, and rebuilding eye tissue. By now, we've talked about feeding your eyes with vitamin A, boosting circulation with nitrates, and shielding them from oxidative damage with anthocyanins. But there's one more step your eyes desperately need: repair. Every day, your eyes experience tiny wear and tear injuries. The cornea flexes every time you blink. The lens shifts focus hundreds of times. The retina processes millions of light signals. To keep all these delicate structures strong, your body relies on collagen, a protein framework that holds everything together. And here's the key: vitamin C is essential for making collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your eyes can't repair damaged tissue as effectively. Blood vessels grow weaker, the retina's support structure thins, and healing slows down. That's where fresh orange juice comes in. A small glass provides not just vitamin C, but also flavonoids like hesperidin and naringin, which strengthen capillaries and calm inflammation inside the eye. These compounds work in harmony during the hours when your body does most of its repair while you sleep. Here's the best way to use it. Choose fresh squeezed or cold-pressed 100% orange juice with no added sugar. About 4 to 6 ounces in the evening, roughly an hour before bed, is plenty. If you're sensitive to acidity, you can sip it slowly or pair it with a small snack containing healthy fats, like a few almonds, to soften the impact on your stomach. One of my patients, Tom, had given up on drinking orange juice for years, thinking it was just too sugary. But after adding a small glass to his nighttime routine, he told me, "I'm not saying it fixed everything, but my eyes feel calmer when I wake up." It's not about instant miracles. It's about giving your eyes the raw materials they need to rebuild night after night. And when you combine orange juice with carrot, beet, and blueberry juice, how to use these juices for maximum benefit. Now that you know the 4 juices, carrot, beetroot, blueberry, and orange, it's important to remember this. It's not just what you drink, it's how and when you drink it that makes the real difference. Drinking all 4 in one night might sound tempting, but it's too much sugar, more nutrients than your body can process at once, and it won't give you better results. Instead, think of these juices as rotating tools, each one serving a unique role in your eye health. Here's a simple weekly plan. Monday, carrot juice for vitamin A and night vision. Tuesday, beetroot juice for blood flow and oxygen delivery. Wednesday, blueberry juice for antioxidant protection. Thursday, orange juice for collagen repair. Then repeat the cycle, adjusting for your taste and how your body responds. Timing matters. Drink your chosen juice about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. That gives your body time to absorb the nutrients and start using them as your eyes enter their natural repair phase during sleep. And make it a calming habit, not just another task. Turn off distractions, sip slowly, and let your body know it's time to rest and recover. If you're on medication, these juices are generally safe, but if you have diabetes, are on blood thinners, or have other specific medical conditions, check with the doctor first. When done consistently, you may start noticing little changes. Less morning dryness, easier reading at night, reduced glare from headlights, more relaxed, comfortable eyes before sleep. These small changes are signs your eyes are responding quietly, steadily. Encouragement and final routine tips. I know it might feel like a lot of information, but here's the truth. You don't need perfection to see results. You just need consistency. One small glass, one evening at a time, can be enough to set your eyes on a healthier path. If you miss a night, don't stress. This isn't a strict diet or a medical procedure. It's a gentle act of care for yourself. And the beauty of it is, the benefits are layered. Even if you start with just one juice you enjoy, you're still giving your eyes something they may have been missing for years. Think of these juices as 4 trusted friends. Carrot juice, feeding your night vision. Beetroot juice, restoring your circulation. Blueberry juice, protecting your retina from damage. Orange juice, helping your eyes repair and rebuild. Rotating them through your week gives your eyes a complete support system. Nourishment, blood flow, protection, and repair. And remember, your eyes are not just windows to the world. They're the key to your independence, your hobbies, and the simple joy of recognizing the faces you love. So tonight, as you pour that small glass, know that you're doing more than having a drink. You're making a quiet, powerful investment in your future. Your eyes are not just getting older. They're asking for care. With the right nutrients, better circulation, and nightly protection, they can stay clearer, stronger, and more comfortable, even after 60. It doesn't take complicated routines or costly treatments. It takes one small choice each night, a simple glass of the right juice, to give your eyes what they've been missing. Start tonight. Stay consistent, because the ability to see the faces you love, read the words that inspire you, and enjoy life without strain is worth every sip. Here's to clearer nights and brighter mornings ahead.